Today we will discuss about the different types of costs that are related to quality. These costs occur in manufacturing industries, in service industries, manufacturing like chemical industries, leather industry, food industry, textile industry, apparel industry. So these costs should be avoided or reduced as possible as can be. So first of all, we will discuss preventive cost, second appraisal cost, failure cost, internal costs, and external cost. Mm. So preventive cost is very important, and appraisal costs are very important. These costs cannot be avoided. If company invests on these costs, if company bears these costs, company can reduce this cost. This cost, failure cost, is very dangerous. It is internally and externally. So this cost should be avoided as possible as can be. Company can reduce this cost by investing or by working on these cost, preventive cost and appraisal cost. Preventive cost and appraisal cost cannot be zero, cannot be zero. It should, there should be some figures, there should be some percentage of these costs to avoid the failure costs. Preventive costs are associated activities associated designed to prevent poor quality of product or services. These costs are, or you can say these activities related to prevention costs are new product review, quality planning, supplier capability surveys, process capability evaluation, quality improvement project, quality education and training. So these costs cannot be zero. Company should invest on these costs to avoid, to reduce the failure cost that is damageable for the company. Prevention costs, you can say simply staff related trainings, research and development, experiments. Research and development is very important element. Staff training is very important element. Second cost is appraisal cost. Appraisal costs are associated with measuring, evaluating or auditing products or services to assure conformance to quality standard and performance requirement. These costs are related to incoming or source inspection, in process or final inspection, calibration of measuring equipment and test the equipment's associated supplies and material. You can say the appraisal costs are related to the cost for measuring the quality of product from raw material or incoming inspection of material to the finished good. So there are three stages: incoming inspection, incoming material, raw material, and process. Process in different stages testings are very important for monitoring the quality. And the last is final inspection of the finished good that is being dispatched to the customers. Calibration of measuring equipment is very important. Calibrated equipment can give you better result, can give you accuracy of the result. Otherwise, there is a chance of misguidance about the testing results of in raw materials, of processed material or finished goods. So calibration is very important for accuracy level of the testing results. Appraisal costs are related to inspections, lab testings, samplings, experiments. These are the sections of appraisal cost. So this cost cannot be zero. Working off on appraisal cost is done to avoid the failure cost like internal failure, external failure that is damageable or that is uh, avoided as possible as can be. Failure cost are two types of cost. Eternal cost are the cost related within the factory, within the manufacturing plant. These are like scrap, downgrading, reinspection, rework or reinspection itself has a cost, like equipment usage, like labor utilization, or any other case. So these costs are occur in the within the factory or within the manufacturing plant. Second part of the failure cost are external cost. External costs are related to customer complaints, warranty claims, customer recalls. These costs are very dangerous. They can damage the image of company, and they can also leads to lose the customers. So they can shut down the business due to unavailability of potential customers. So these cost must be reduced as possible as can be, and the failure cost can be reduced only by working on first two costs: prevention cost, preventive cost, and second the appraisal cost. So we cannot reduce, or we cannot go for the zero prevention cost or zero appraisal cost. There should be some cost, preventive cost and appraisal cost, to minimize the failure cost. So if company does not work on preventive cost, if does not expand on appraisal cost, then company will have to expend huge of amount on the failure cost. So company should prefer to work on the first two costs to avoid the failure cost. I hope by this lecture your concept about the quality costs should be very clear. Hopefully we will see you in next video with another topic related to quality cost, related to TQM, related to quality assurance, quality management system. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.